Hi there, this is the Ninkear S14. It's a small and light device. Let me show you how to open it. 9 Phillips head screws secure the bottom panel. Pry the plate with a thin plastic tool starting from one of the top corners. Here's how the bottom cover looks on the inside. This machine has a 60 watt-hour battery. To take it out, pull up the connector by holding the small plastic handle on top. Then, you must remove the 4 screws that fix the unit to the base. The battery life of 4.5 hours of watching 4K YouTube videos seems okay, considering the 1400p screen. Both the 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5, 6400 memory, and the Wi-Fi 6 card are soldered. For storage, there is just one M.2 2280 slot that fits Gen 3 NVMe drives. The cooling setup includes one large fan, 2 fairly long heat pipes, a top-mounted heatsink, and a small heat spreader. Now it's time to remove the thermal system. Let's start with the fan. Pull the connector and undo the 3 screws that hold it fixed. There is another trio of screws that surrounds the CPU. You'll need to untangle the cables around the fan before you can lift it out. Finally, pop the cooling off to get a look at the CPU.